Zhongtuo Australian-style shutter door rolling forming machine adopts separated molding mode to make sure each wave perfect good and there is no scratch in forming process. Separated rolling forming is good as each wave will not be dragged and then make the shape with waves. Separated molding does the rolling step by step of each wave, so it is higher in speed and good in shaping. The edge of shutter door should be perfect in size and shape and then it can do the good overlapping. So we add lots of side roller to trim edge and we do the before shearing to make sure the profiles can go to cutter easily. The machine designed with motor wasted bin collector to make all the cutting debris in the waste bin collector. The machine working is automatic, but as there is no automatic stacker, the worker needs to pick up the sheets by hand now and then. Leveling system adopts upper and lower supporting rollers to support the coil and keep board paint free from scratches and scrapes. Manual broach can cut the material in advance. Save the cost of raw materials. Straight guide column design is easy and smooth strong force, ensure firm and stable easy adjustment. Rolling processes can prevent material damage. Zhongtuo Australian shutter door machine is designed with double-edged knife cutting. Ensure the multi-wave front cutting off the plate shape deformation. The cutter is designed inside the machine. The aim is to do the edge bending well and then cutting. After cutting through two sides, roll a plastic roll to complete the output. The direct lap joint is realized without manual reprying and then easy for installation. And the product smooth in surface, ensure the perfect finish. Zhongtuo Australian curtain door machine does not just provide equipment. We will take customer usage and installation into consideration. We give the perfect machine design and usage solution.